Hi, I'm Kat, and as a lot of you already know, I have spent a lot of time turning my garage into a salon and barbershop studio. And one of the cool things that happened recently was that OK Salon sent me one of their tool carts to try and review. Ooh, and I was very excited because I always need somewhere to put all of my perm rods and rollers. And so they sent me this one where it is fully lockable, which is very cool. And it has so much storage options. I was surprised. I have a very basic tool cart that is set aside right now, but I was using that. But this one is my absolute favorite because now I have a place to put my curling iron and hair dryer. Although I am currently using the hair dryer mount for my water bottle. Yeah, there's a lot of other cool options too for it. In celebration of this really cool OK Salon tool cart, I figured I should treat myself to a roller set. And today I'm gonna go with pink. I'm wearing so much red, and so I kind of keep with that theme. Got my hair gel. Ooh, and a pair of gloves. And these gloves are also by OK Salon. I tried them out in a previous video where my husband and I put hair gel in each other's hair. That was fun and messy. I don't think I'll be getting that messy today. We'll see. Ooh, this pink is gonna go well with the snap-on rollers. Okay, let's see if I got everything. I hope so. And for those who are curious, my hair is indeed getting longer. Look at this. I have a baby ponytail now. Now, for the hair gel. I got it all down my pantyhose. Okay, lesson learned. I should always wear a full cape. Oh, I love this thing. I love having something to put things on. We're gonna finish up this whole thing. Yes. You wanna see? Yes, it fell on the floor. I'm still gonna use it. Hey, 5-second rule, right? Applies to food and hair gel. All right, I'm gonna say this is pretty much finished. All that noise you hear right now, it is very windy out. I'll check the yard later. I've already picked up some sticks already. Okay, to dedicate this to wind, let's make my hair all messy. As if I was going outside right now and spent some time out there. I think it would look something like this. So now I'm going to slick it back for a quick minute. Just for fun. How does it look? Okay, so now, with my hair being all damp and full of hair gel, I'm gonna start putting these vintage brush rollers in my hair. And I think my hair is long enough. Let's see. I have a mirror right behind you, so I should be able to see, for the most part, what I'm doing. Okay. And then, I think that's right down the middle. Let's go right about here, I think. Oh, I missed a piece. So yes, I'm hoping to attend cosmetology school in a couple of years. So that way I know what I'm doing. Okay, I think these are too big. So let me try a smaller one. And I think I'm going to move the mirror behind you just a little bit. That looks lovely. think that looks good. Maybe. But one thing I've learned is you don't need to be perfect when putting in rollers, because no matter what you do, it's gonna turn out wonderful. Is there any hair there? Oops. I think that's right above my ear. And then some. Let me try that one again. Ooh, that one's really nice and tight. Let's see, right there, and then I think that's too much. That looks good, I think. Whoops. Okay, let's see. How do I want to do this? Yeah, then it's just thinking like where I want. Oops, no. Like if I want the curls to go this way or that way. Then let's see, I think right about here. Yeah, to those who put in rollers every day, I salute you. You are amazing. Of course, it just takes more practice. I'm sure I'd get really good if I do this more often, which I should. Let's see, I got 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm gonna try to do the same thing. 1, 2. Oh, and in case you're wondering, since I keep putting these in my mouth, I do wash these after every use. So I'm not eating hair gel. At least from the old rollers. Oh, ooh, this is lovely. Okay, perfect. So now, I'm gonna work on this side. Let's see, right about there. Let's see. Huh? But I am enjoying wrapping my hair tightly around these snap-on rollers. And I think these are great for beginners because the rollers help to hold the hair in place because they have these little spikes to them. And then, to help keep your hair in place, nice little cover. Ooh. Let's see. Right about. Oops. I love how the cart rolls, but the chair keeps moving. There we go. So as I'm doing my hair, and because these rollers are probably from at least the 80s, I just think about how many times these were used by women, or let's see, or those wanting to have nice big curls. Well, if these could talk about how much like hair's been through it and all the beautiful hairstyles they produced. Okay, so now we have this side. So we are rolling right along. See, what do you think so far? I'm gonna cheat and peek. Ooh, it's coming together. A little messy, but that's okay. And once it's all dry and fluffed out, nobody will know the pieces I missed. I have little hair. Okay, so I've got little tiny hairs. They won't fit just yet. Give it a couple months and I'm sure they will. Let's see. We're gonna sneak this one in there. Really? I finished my whole head already? Oh no, okay, this one looks funny, but it's got some curl in there, so I'll take it. It is very messy. Let's redo this one. Let's see. Perfect. All right, so my hair, with all these put in there kind of haphazardly, it reminds me of this one pink wig I have with all the pink rollers. All right, so I am going to put a hairnet on this before hopping under here. Okay, so I had an option of so many colors. I thought about pink because it would match the curlers and this, although I will be taking this off. And then I was like, ooh, I could do red because I'm wearing a red twin set. But I was like, you know what? Let's do old school and choose this brown one, which I think it's brown. I haven't worn this one in forever. And then it'll kind of match this. Oh, this is black, but it's a dark color, so it'll be fine. It'll match still. Wow. Very cool. Nice little bow. We're gonna tuck this under though. Good, I'm leaving this up below my ears because I'm gonna put on some ear protectors when I go underneath the dryer. So that's where I keep these. Let's see. Now for some nice drying time. Once I put these on. Now to sit and relax. Enjoying your dryer time? I hope you join me underneath the dryer too. I bet you're going to have a wonderful set. I cannot wait to see how my hair turned out. This is going to be so much fun. Cheers. it's time to see what I've got here. Oh, I'll move back over to the salon chair. So that long dryer time was wonderful. All right, now I hope you're as excited as I am to see the results of these rollers. Now, you saw earlier that I had one drawer empty, and I do that for a reason. So that I can wash these easily. I'll just take that into the house and wash them. Actually, let's do all on one side first. I love the way the curls are bouncing off my head. Okay, so there I am, curly on one side and still tightly wound on this one. Ooh. Getting very windy out there. All right, I'm gonna make this quick because I don't know if it's just wind or if we're supposed to get a storm. Oh my goodness. I love the curls. Okay. I love it. You have to see. Of course, the back. Oh, I love it. Okay, let's brush these out. Oh, I wish I had a hairstyle in mind. Do I have my bobby pins somewhere? Oh no, okay. I'll have to make a note to bring my bobby pins out here. Now for the back. I love how I love it when it's wild. Okay. This would be absolutely perfect for doing some sort of updo. All this body, I could probably do. Oh, goodness. Oh. All right, well, I'll probably just go out with it wild because I love it wild. But this would be perfect for slicking back, like having so much body and then slicking the top part into something nice. Probably bring it all like, so I probably would slick it like right here so I have a nice bump, and then bring this back. Oh, that'd be so cute. Oh wow. Okay, but I don't have my pins, but that's okay. I think what I'll do, since I have this nice little tray right here, I'm gonna put the bobby pins in this. Oh, it's a little hidey hole. I have my keys in there, so very cool. Forgot about that. Nice. Lots of storage. Well, thank you, OK Salon, for sending me this cart to try out. I love it. Thank you. All right, so I am going to go enjoy the day and go shopping in this outfit and with my hair. I'm just gonna leave it wild. Next time I'll have to try to do a nice little bouffant or something, since my hair's getting long enough. All right, well, I hope you enjoyed this fun little video of me trying out this really nice OK Salon tool cart. Very cool. Definitely recommend this little number in your area, your salon or your studio or your nice little relaxing getaway at home. And I hope you enjoy this venture of me. On the dryer, rollers, all the other fun stuff, and nails. And I will see you next time. Bye.